Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My people, what's going on? It's Thursday and I'm actually recording this on a Thursday, FYI. Lockdown is here. And this video is for you brothers and sisters that are thinking, raw, lockdown's here. Am I going to have my job? Am I not going to have my job? And what sort of business is going to be good for you guys coming out of lockdown? So I'm going to tell you three business ideas that would be good for anyone who maybe has a lot of money or maybe someone who doesn't have so much money. Each business might be applicable to you or might not be. So watch until the end and let me know in the comments below which one's most relevant for you. And by the way, do like this video, share with your family and friends, and I hope, inshallah, these are bringing benefit to you guys as well. Let's get right into it. Number one, we're gonna go with a gym. Now, I know, you guys are like, gyms have been around forever, right? Well, for a while anyway. But why am I saying gym would be a great business to have after the whole lockdown, after the whole coronavirus situation? Why having gyms? Let's be honest. Staying at home when it's lockdown and you're at home, the one thing that we all keep doing is munching. We're all eating. We're eating so much and we're looking at each other like, raw, it's getting a bit peak. You know, we're putting on the pounds. And to be fair, right now we're in November. Lockdown's going to take us to December. And guess what happens in January? A lot of people tell themselves, you know what? This year, I'm going to make my goal changing my body, training and gym and losing the pounds and becoming all muscular. Everyone starts thinking about how they can improve their body in January. Not only that, but we're in coronavirus. We're in the lockdown. People are putting on the pounds. Not only that, but gyms are closed at the moment. If there is any time to take advantage of the whole coronavirus and lockdown and the fact that people are home, trust me, it's actually having a gym, or if not starting a gym, which inshallah I believe has a great market and potential to get some really good customers in. Now, at number two, we're going with Halal Holidays. Now, you might are like, what is a halal holiday? Now, you may have seen a few people talking about it and doing these things here and there. And to be honest with you, honestly, I think it's a fantastic idea for anyone already doing it. But I think the market is so big where genuinely someone needs to take advantage of the fact that Muslims want to go on holidays, maybe don't know what countries are even halal for them as such. Not only that, but they want to be in an area, in an environment which is Islamically acceptable as such. So we can't really have music and we can't really have the free mixing and all that madness. Now, the point being is a halal holiday for your family is an amazing idea. And so if you can think of maybe taking 30, 40, 50 brothers away on a halal holiday, or the families away on a halal holiday, and you're able to sort of keep the brothers in separate and the sisters separate and make it enjoyable for everyone, and obviously the children, let them enjoy as well. I think there's a great market for it. Why do I say something like that would be extremely beneficial and extremely, inshallah, lucrative? It's because obviously we've been stacking up the peas for the ones that are working, and therefore we haven't really gone on holiday. So surely the one thing we're going to want to do as soon as we come out of lockdown, as soon as we come out of coronavirus, as soon as this thing goes away, of course, inshallah, it goes away. When it does, and if it does, then we would want to go on a holiday. And so if someone can basically organize halal holidays for the brothers and sisters, for the families, I'm sure the Muslims would definitely be interested. Now, number three, it's actually something quite basic and something which I'm sure many of you have come across already. And it's actually a course. A course is something that you already know, or maybe something that you have done some skills in before, or something that you have learned over the last few years and you believe you can teach people. Now, why do I say a course? Because people have been at home for the last 6 months. And now it's getting to a situation where it's like, okay, wow, like we've been at home. Initially, it was like, okay, let's, do whatever we can, just enjoy this moment, etc., etc. But now it's getting to a point where people are realizing like, wow, like spending that time at home is actually very valuable. Companies are realizing that people can actually work from home. And more importantly, people are realizing how important that free time is. And with free time, it's even more important to improve yourself all the time. And that's kind of how courses, inshallah, should help and be a market which is extremely lucrative coming out of coronavirus, coming out of lockdown, because everyone wants to now improve and better themselves, and therefore courses should definitely be something that people are very interested in. And not only that, but it's actually something which doesn't have a high startup. It's something which doesn't actually cost that much money to start it up straight away. So courses is definitely something, if you have the skills, if you have the background, if you have the market, then do a course for yourself. Start something up for yourself and teach people something that you know and others may not know as much of. And inshallah, it can genuinely be a lucrative market if put in the hard work. And I will conclude on this. No matter what it is, you do have to put the hard work in. No matter what the idea, no matter, even if it's $1 billion idea, you still have to put the hard work in. So any idea I always give you, my brothers and sisters, bear in mind that it's always going to be a case of you have to put the hard work in. And inshallah, there are some mad videos coming up. Trust me, this whole channel is going to take a different route where you're going to be surprised. Like, I didn't expect Abu Musa to do these sort of videos. Don't worry. Inshallah, we will keep it all halal. But the plan is to teach you guys a lot more of the things in a practical way and keep it entertaining as well. So inshallah, subscribe to the channel, like these videos. And if you guys have any questions, add me up on Instagram. The link's always in my bio. But for me, to you, I appreciate you guys watching. Jazakallahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.